Each question in the paragraph comprehension subtest begins with a short reading passage, followed by one or more multiple-choice questions, each with 4 possible responses. Paragraphs are short, containing 50 to 200 words. Even though 200 words may sound like a lot of reading, the paragraphs typically have only 1 to 4 sentences. This subtest has 15 questions, but you are only allowed 13 minutes to read the paragraphs and answer all the questions. The strategies taught in this course will help you in quickly deciding on the correct answer so that you can complete the entire subtest within the time limit. Main idea questions are frequently difficult to answer on the paragraph comprehension subtest because the incorrect choices are often true but do not reflect the complete main point of the entire paragraph. Sometimes the main idea of the paragraph is stated in what is called the topic sentence, which is sometimes also identified as the thesis. You may be familiar with the terms topic sentence and thesis from your high school English classes. Often, the topic sentence is the first or last sentence. When the topic sentence occurs at the end of a paragraph, the preceding sentences build up to the main idea, which is expressed at the end. A good strategy when seeking the correct answer to a main idea question is to carefully reread the first and last sentences, as they are typically where a thesis statement is placed in a paragraph. Besides the main topic sentence, paragraphs usually contain what are called subpoints, which are details that support the main point. By their very nature, subpoints are not the main point. Yet subpoints often appear as choices on the test as answers to the main point questions. Understanding the difference between a topic sentence and subpoints helps you determine the correct answer to a main idea question. Specific details are generally not the answer to main idea questions. Another strategy for determining the main idea of a paragraph is to identify what the author believes. The thesis or topic sentence states what the author believes to be true, and the subpoints or supporting details identify why the author holds the belief. Some of the connecting words used to link sentences together in a paragraph provide clues that lead to the main idea of the paragraph. Linking words include however, but, though, yet, nonetheless, and although. These words often act as pointers to the main idea of the paragraph. Unlike detailed questions that often deal with numerical answers or locating facts, main idea questions require that you apply your judgment skills in deriving the correct answer. The distinction between some main idea questions and inference questions may blur because they both need you to make a deduction when you answer the question. These questions test your ability to understand the relationships between the ideas expressed in the paragraph in order to conclude what the author believes. Making inferences from what you've read means that you derive information from the paragraph that is not explicitly stated within it. Consider the following paragraph. Rainforest habitat exists in many parts of the world that have not experienced industrial development. Tropical rainforests are important biomes because of their rich biodiversity. Millions of interesting species of plants and animals live in unexplored areas of the rainforest. Logging the trees in the rainforest is destroying this habitat, like the deciduous trees in the U.S. were once destroyed. Land in the rainforest is being cleared for farming at a rapid rate, even though the rainforest soil lacks the nutrients needed for crops that humans eat. Like the deciduous forests, about half of the rainforests of the world have been destroyed. It can be inferred from the passage that A. Tropical rainforests contain rich biodiversity, B. Biodiversity is lost when rainforests are destroyed, C. Rainforests are being destroyed by logging, D. Rainforest soil does not support farming. The correct answer is B, because the point that biodiversity is lost when rainforests are destroyed requires a conclusion on your part. Therefore, it was inferred. The other answers are incorrect because they are explicitly stated in the paragraph and are not inferred.